Garlic Parmesan wings 2.0. I promise you, these gonna change your life. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me tell you what we have here. So we have our chicken wings, of course, here. We have some freshly chopped parsley here, some fresh garlic, man. We're using lots of garlic for this particular recipe, man. This is Garlic Parmesan 2.0. Right here we have some smoked paprika. We're using some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, some corn starch, some red chili flakes, some garlic powder, and right here, the garlic butter. Guys, make sure you get that garlic butter. We want to stay in alignment with what we're doing. Garlic Parmesan, make sure you get that garlic butter. All right, so these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to get started, all we're gonna do is start adding our dry ingredients. So we're gonna add our garlic powder, our paprika, and that Slap Your Mama seasoning here. And we're just gonna get this mixed in like this, real quick. And once we get that mixed in, we're just gonna drop off our cornstarch in here just like that too. And come back behind and do the same thing. Yeah, the cornstarch is gonna make this baby crispy. That's where you're gonna get the crispiness in this right here. So you don't leave out the cornstarch step. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and sit that aside and we're gonna start preparing our oil so we can drop these babies in there, all right? Okay, so as our oil comes up to temperature, I'm gonna just start adding our chicken to our basket. And yes, guys, we are dropping these in the hot grease. No air fryer, no bacon today. There ain't nothing like dropping some chicken wings in the hot grease. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's cool to air fry, it's cool to bake, it's cool to grill. But when you have a taste for some just good wings, you wanna baptize them things in that hot grease. And we about to do it. All right, so my fryer has given me the green light. We're gonna drop these babies in here. We're gonna let them cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. You know, once they start riding to the top, you already know what you got. So let's head over to our cooktop so we can start preparing our garlic parmesan sauce. So while them wings in the hot grease, what better time than now to let you know that this video is being sponsored by Skillshare. Listen, Skillshare is an online community with thousands of inspiring classes for those who love learning and want to explore their creativity and learn new skills. So if you're looking to make a career move or just to level up your skills, I recommend Skillshare. This is a great resource. So for all you freelancers, you can learn new skills to support your side hustle while you're working at 9 to 5. And for you entrepreneurs out there, Skillshare can help you launch into a totally whole new career. So what are some of the benefits when you join Skillshare? Ad-free courses that keep you in the zone and free from distractions. And also new premium classes are launched each week. So it's always something new. And now Skillshare's entire catalog is in subtitles, Spanish, German, Portuguese, and French. And if you're watching my channel, you have a deep love for cooking or eating good food. And Skillshare offers a variety of culinary art courses. One class that caught my attention was Cooking Like a Chef, 5 Fundamental Skills for Kitchen Success, taught by Alex Gabriel Anuz. Although y'all know I'm not a chef, I just cook a lot, I still thought it was important to understand these 5 fundamental steps for my success in the kitchen. The knowledge I gained from this course was so helpful, like space preparation in the kitchen, knife skills, ingredient selection, and guess what? What to do with leftovers so they don't go to waste. So you may be asking yourself, is this class for me? Yes, it's for anybody who loves to eat. Whether you're a seasoned chef or picking up a skillet for the first time, you will walk away with a solid understanding of how to make your time in the kitchen fun. So since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1,000 people who click that link in the video description below, guess what? They're gonna receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So with that being said, I wanna thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. So let's get back to them garlic parmesans, all right? All right, so while we have our chicken wings over there frying, we're gonna go ahead and turn our cooktop on. We're gonna get that baby up to temperature, and we're gonna start adding our garlic butter. All right, so as our butter starts to melt, we're gonna add in our garlic. And guys, I use a lot of garlic. I like this particular recipe with a lot of garlic in it. We'll add our parsley, also our red chili flakes. And we're gonna get that mixed in. And this only takes a couple of minutes, guys. You don't wanna overcook this. Probably let this cook on a low heat. Make sure your heat is on low after the butter melts. You want it on a medium high while the butter is melting. Then you want to reduce it once the butter gets down to a liquid form. And just Kind of get it all incorporated. Once you start smelling that garlic fragrance, then you want to pull it off because you don't want to burn your garlic. So you cook this at a low heat once you add your garlic. And just continue to stir it. All right, so we're there. I'm gonna go ahead and pause our heat. Actually turn it off. We don't need this anymore. And we're just gonna sit this aside until our wings are done. They're almost done. We got about 2 or 3 more minutes left on them, and we're gonna pull them out, all right? And as you can see, our wings are rising to the top, so we know these babies are ready. Let's go ahead and pull them out. That's crispy enough for me. What do you think about it? So let's go ahead and get them in a bowl and get them sauced up. Now it's time to add our garlic Parmesan sauce. We're just gonna get this mixed in here like that. Man, take a look at that, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and get this on a plate, and then we're gonna go into our final presentation. So now that we have our wings on our plate, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that sauce over the top like that. And just to top it off, we're gonna add some shredded Parmesan cheese to the top like that. Now tell me, it doesn't get any better than that. And there you have it, guys. Garlic Parmesan wings. This is 2.0. Man, I'm telling you, these babies are delicious. So let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. And also, I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. Guys, let's jump into quality control. I'm ready to try these out. Man, y'all gonna love these. Well, I'm gonna love them right now. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're back in here, quality control time, and now we got our garlic Parmesan wings right here. Man, these babies smell so good. Oh man, let me show you what this baby about. Man, look at that. Oh man, that's a thumbnail right there, guys. All right, man, let's go ahead and take a bite out of crime, because it is a crime to make wings this good. Oh. Garlic Parmesan 2.0, guys. Man. Absolutely. Man, these babies are delicious. And if you know anything about me, garlic Parmesan is my 3rd favorite flavor wing. You already know buffalo, the original buffalo is my thing. I love original buffalo. And you already know what's next. That lemon pepper. And then these garlic Parmesans, man. Man, guys, you need to taste these out. Man, you definitely need to check it out. They're crispy. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Wow. Forgive me. I can't be talking while I got this in my mouth. I gotta enjoy every bite of it. It's so good. So, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Y'all already know, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.